Hello guys, this is Master Bricks and Flicks. Today I'm going to be unboxing set number 71839, Arin'S Spinjitzu Battle Mech. This set has 213 pieces and goes for about $23. It also comes with 3 minifigs, which is Baby Ryu, Arin, and the Spectral Dragonian Warrior. On the side, we've got a good box art of that new Arin suit, which I think is way better than the old one because the old one's just plain yellow. And this one also has a lot more details. On the back, it shows you can customize this mech with the other ones. Like always, you can switch out the arms, the legs, and those weapons. Now, let's get to it. Okay, looks like we're having 4 bags in the set. Way more than I expected. Now, let's get building. And that's the build. Let's start with the Spectral Dragonian. This Dragonian is very similar to the other Dragonians that come in a few other sets, like this one. The only difference is really the legs, and that's it. I do like the ghost legs better because that's what it showed in the show, and this one is just legs, so yeah. Next we have Arin. He has that spectral sword that you can see all the Dragonians in the show, which I thought was a cool touch they added in the set. He is kind of close to the older versions of him. Here's the black hooded one. This one just has his hair, doesn't have the actual hood. And then also this one, which is just a lighter mask color. And then Ryu, he's just the same as all the other Ryus, so there isn't much to see in him. But now for the mech, I think this might be my favorite mech of them all. I don't know what it is, it's just, it looks awesome. I love this hook weapon, and it was shown in the show for a few episodes, which I thought was pretty cool, because some sets just aren't even shown in the show, which is pretty strange. So, yeah. This mech is just really cool. I love that they had the stone pieces right here to make it look like one half is like black and the other is the yellow. And now, let's have them fight. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and see you next time.